What's going on, you guys? Another total fail vlog. We got back home and Jen, she went home to her apartment around 5, and then I proceeded to pass out, and now I'm awake, but I am gonna go back to sleep for sure because I'm still exhausted. So probably just make it an early night, get some extra rest, and then back to work tomorrow. But fail vlogger lately. That's me. So anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. Oh, Jen texts me. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.